welcome. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension. Do this with me. Inhale, drawing in calm, clarity, and light. Exhale, releasing any heaviness or distraction. With each breath, allow your body to relax. Allow your mind to settle and your energy to open. Bring attention now to your feet. Feel roots growing down into the earth, anchoring you. With each inhale, feel strength and stability flowing up from the earth. Exhale, letting go of tension, fear, or any heaviness in your body. Imagine each root is filled with vibrant, nourishing energy, connecting you to support, safety, and confidence. Now, shift your awareness to your legs and hips. Inhale, feel warmth, comfort, and ease spreading through your muscles. Exhale, letting go of tightness or stress you may be holding here. With each breath, your body is becoming lighter, more flexible, and fully supported. Bring focus to your lower abdomen. Inhale, feeling confidence, grounding, and creative energy rising from your core. Exhale, releasing doubt, worry, or fear. Silently repeat, I am safe, I am strong, I am aligned with my purpose. Notice how your entire lower body feels stable, energized, and ready. For the full experience, please click the link in the description to visit my website